Good morning everybody and welcome back to my garden. If you're new here, my name is Kayla and this is 5 Canadian Acres, where it's my goal to help encourage everybody to start growing your own food in whatever capacity that you can, as there is a lot going on and all I have to say is in the state of the world, and unfortunately everybody knows what I'm talking about. I know there's a lot of stress and worrying going on right now, and that's okay to stress and worry. That's a normal human feeling. But when we're in a constant state of stress and worry is when things can start to unravel. I feel very lucky because I'm a naturally positive person. We always joked growing up that I had my rose-colored glasses on, and I do feel really fortunate to be able to my brain was wired to look at the positive in all situations. I know not everybody is like that, so I just want to maybe share a little bit of that with you to try to spread the positivity, spread the love, and just encourage everybody that things are going to be okay. One of the big worries and stressor right now is food prices for most people. Groceries have just gone up, like tripled in prices over the last few months. Unfortunately, a lot of that is out of our control, what a lot of people call their realm of influence. So if it's out of your realm and influence, you can think about it, worry about it, but you're not able to change it. So what I try to do is to focus on the things that are in my realm of influence, the things that I can change in order to help make me feel a little bit better and less stressed. And of course, the big thing with that is growing your own food. It's never too late to start growing your own food. It doesn't matter what time of year it is. Spring, you can plant your garden. Summer, fall, you can plant a garden. In the winter, where it's freezing up here all winter long, you can grow stuff indoors. Having a little indoor herb garden can really, really help. You're eating rice and beans, you can throw those herbs in there and everything will taste wonderful. When you're growing your own food, it doesn't have to be all or nothing. You don't have to grow even me, I'm trying to grow 80, I'm trying to grow 100%. I know I'm not going to get there, even 50%, but every little bit helps. It's getting towards the end of June. There is still lots of time to plant. I do have a couple videos going to be coming out about succession planting as well as planting your fall garden. Now you can focus on growing those quick growing crops to give you food right away, and then also focus on some crops that you can use for storage in the winter like potatoes and squashes. The other thing with learning to grow your food is you're growing a skill. No pun intended. Not only are you gaining food out of this, but you're also gaining a super useful skill that is part of your human being. It's part of who you are. We have grown food for centuries, and it's really in my heart. I just really want to encourage everybody to grow something because the value you get from it when you pick that fruit or that herb or whatever you've grown, it just tastes delicious because you've grown it. You've put in your love and energy into it, and it's so nourishing for your body and your soul. Knowing you have the skill to grow things, you know that you're able to provide for yourself and your family and friends, if you need to. One thing I do know is that your most and best growth comes from adversity. So it's these situations right now that we're all in that are going to make us step up, are going to make us take it to the next level. And while things can be really scary right now, again, if we spin that and look at the positive side of things, we will see that this is actually making us better human beings. And if we can take these lessons and use them to the best of our ability, we're going to level up and we're going to come out of this better than you ever thought you could be. So again, I just want to encourage you guys all to go ahead and start some seeds. Stay tuned for my next couple of videos that's going to show you what you can start now and how you can start it. And I want to thank you guys all for subscribing and watching. And if you have any questions or comments, anything that you want to learn about, go ahead and put them in the comments below and I will address those. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.